Hi again. By now you have created your teacher account, updated your profile, and you hopefully have specified the school district you're in this case Riverside, that we're working with. Now it's time to get some students in here and create a group slash class. And to go about doing that, you have to first of all log into your account, come back to the main page like you have here, and then scroll down here to create. So you create, click on the create. It's going to pop up sort of a list of things you have to run through. Your group name. Now, again, depending on what you're teaching, you might go first period Algebra 1, and some advanced options or something to look into. Default all new members to read only, or moderate all posts and replies. This is the one you might want to click on simply because it sort of monitors and lets you determine whether or not to allow certain posts or not. But again, you have to be on top of your game here and to look over certain things. But it's totally up to you. These are options, whatever you want to do. Click on the grade. I'm going to go Algebra 1, 8th grade to 9th. So we're going to scroll over here. It's the grade level you're working with. Subject area, in this case math, and algebra. This is the course I'm looking at, and you'll create. Simple enough. Now, before you click close, you need to write down this code name. This code is what you're going to give out to your students whenever the case might be. You can view this and reset it here as well. So I'd write this down and jot this down first and foremost. So after you got it down, click close. As you see a little update here, you've created your group. Now let's just actually go down to this group and just take a look at a couple things with the group. First period Algebra 1. Let's see, this is your group code, which you can reset, you can lock, it's up to you. Group settings, basically the stuff you already had. If you want to change it, if you want to archive or even delete the group. Subscribe group to a feed, we might talk about that later. Another thing you want to look at here though is the members. Once you get all your students in, you can manage your group. So you could search certain members. There is probably a member list with different stats based off of certain assignments, which we'll get to here. You can create small groups if you want to have, groups based off of your classes. You can put them in there as well. So if you click on me, it gives you just basically a profile. You can look at each individual student's or likes or dislikes, stuff like that. So if we go back, click back here. That's pretty much it about creating your group, and we'll look more into this when we start looking at assignments and quizzes and certain polls here as well. But what I'd like you to do is to send out 3 invites, emails to your peers, 2 to peers, 1 to myself, showing me that they integrated and incorporated, that you have come up with your own page and you've started here, and this is the group that you're coming up with, and give us the code so we can log into. That way, you can utilize once you start going through all these modules here. So send 2 emails to 2 other of your peers, math teachers that are going through this, doesn't matter which ones, and myself. So that's it, creating a group. And if you want, there'll be different things here below on the module that you can look at too, that'll give you sort of things in words that might help you out going through this, as well as creating a group.